Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, welcome back to Britt's Facade. I'm Brittany, okay? And, yeah. Hey guys, right now we're going for like a hot girl walk. Boop. Me and my boyfriend Greg are gonna be going on a little picnic. It's just a casual picnic. And I'm gonna just like show you guys, I don't know if I'll show you guys what I'm making for the picnic. It's just something real casual, you know. It's a nice day. We have a little bit of time, so that's what we're going to do. I have a lot of exciting updates that I have to share, and I'm back to vlogging. I took a long break, but by the time this video goes up, I feel like I should have been a little bit more consistent by now. Okay. Messy room in the background because we gotta clean, but we're gonna clean when we get back. But yeah, let's start the day. I'm listening to Drake because unfortunately we're not going to the Drake tour, but it doesn't mean we can't still rock vibe with Drake, baby. I'm going to be making I already made like my salmon melt, and I'm going to show you guys what I use to make the salmon melt. I just use white miso paste, smoked paprika, onion powder, and then a little bit of pepper, and that was my base for my salmon melt. Ooh, and I added a little touch of honey just because the miso and the thing could be a ran out of hash browns. No, I ran out of tater tots, and I feel like I want the salmon melt to have something on the side, so I just might make a little bit of hash browns and cut them up so they can kind of give tater tot vibes, but they're not really tater tots. So yeah, stay tuned. Definitely trust the process on that one because I'm not sure. As I was lying, I do have a little bit of tater tots in my freezer, so that's gonna definitely go on the side. This area that we are working with, so we are going to be making a smoothie. I freeze my frozen fruit and I put them all in a bag. So these are cherry plums. We got strawberries. We have blueberries. We have pineapple. And then I think these are cherry plums, which I probably end up using. I am dressed. This is my quick OOTD that I'm gonna be wearing to go on the picnic outside. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna bring any beach towels because we're not gonna be there for that long. I don't think so. But yeah, it's a day's front.
You talk so much, it drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there.
Hello. So me and Greg, we're here. We're having a little like lunch. You can call it a picnic or a lunch date. We have Greg, damn, the pie looks really.
It's okay.
We have this smoothie. This is a smoothie I made at home that I showed you guys. These are our salmon melts. This is our pie. It kind of got messed up in transportation, and we're gonna put some whipped cream on it. But yeah, and then here is our condiments, which is a sriracha mayo we made at home. And I don't know, this is your sign to like go at a park, make some stuff, and have a cute, inexpensive date. To be honest, and this park is really nice. I've never been to here before, but it's really, really gorgeous. Look at the view.
Had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. In love with you. I was always holding you down. You down.
And somehow we ended up on the ferry. So I felt good. If you are just checking in, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, because I'm going to be filling you guys in where I've been at. I am in my soft girl era, right? And what that really means is just living in our stillness and pouring into ourselves. So I've been pouring into my soft girl era lately. That's what I call it. And if you want to stay tuned for this journey, definitely, again, subscribe. I mentioned it on my TikTok, but I haven't mentioned it on here because, again, I haven't been posting like that. So yeah, exciting things have happened. I have went to swimming. I know I've been telling you guys that I would be taking a swimming class this summer, and we definitely did. More swimming classes to come. And I'll insert a clip here. Of my swimming class. Ignore the quality, the chopped up quality, but I am going to be going to another class, so I'll try filming it again for you guys to get a little bit behind the scenes of my adult swimming class, because yeah, it's something I always wanted to do. No one in my family like that necessarily in my immediate family knows how to swim, so I wanted to, I guess, break that generational thing, or break that cycle in my family, and learn how to swim. I've also been trying to practice my Spanish, because I don't know if I ever mentioned it here, but I am half Jamaican and half Puerto Rican, and one of the things I always wish I was fluent in Spanish. So I've been practicing my Spanish, and I know I'm not going to show you guys in this video. I'll probably show it later on in another video. And then and I think as far as recap, that's it. Just keep watching. But for right now, I feel like this was a long rant, but for right now, I am going to be repotting this plant, and let me show you.
You wanna be my ego. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math.